All right, it's Valentine's Day, 4 o'clock. It finally started snowing. It's supposed to snow all night. We're supposed to have dinner downtown St. Louis at 8 p.m. If they keep the roads clear, we'll go. I don't know what it's gonna look like. I'm just showing you before. This is what you can still see my grass. The neighbors are rehabbing, so that's exciting. That's gonna be nicely covered with snow. Garbage never picked up this week, so everyone has their trash cans out. Good times. Happy Valentine's Day. I wasn't planning on doing a video on what my husband got me for Valentine's Day, but oh my god, look at this. It's a box of Pokemon chocolates. And he said he ordered this from Japan, and it took like, what, a week?
Yeah.
So he couldn't get me anything for Christmas, so I guess world is returning to normal in Japan because he got this for Valentine's Day. I'm trying to do this one-handed. So it's a tin, it's metal, it's very nice. Look at that. Look at that box of chocolates. So we got Eevee, Pikachu, Ditto, Pokemon Ball. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. And it came in like this little bag. So like Japan has like a Pokemon center, and he found a personal shopper to pick that up. That is amazing. And then I probably will do a taste test and tack it on to the end of this video. He got me this honey-filled chocolate from Adam Taroni. And then he got these peanut butter crunch ones. They didn't ship very well, but we're not going to complain because we realize it's not his fault. I think there was bees on these honeycombs. Not for sure what happened to them, but I'm sure it still tastes delicious. And then Bissinger's is the local St. Louis company. These are caramel filled. I'm sure they're going to be amazing. And then this big bar of chocolates. Wait, what was this about, honey? Because it was a specialty.
It's like craft chocolate, like that. There's a special bean. That's the name, and it turned on the back.
Was it from the same company or someone different?
This is a separate company. This is all the company does is this.
Make these big bars.
Yeah.
And then
it tells you about the product. It's kind of neat.
So most likely I will make something out of this chocolate. It is pretty cool.
Yeah, try it though.
No, I will take a bite, but this is more like chocolate you melt down to make something out of. And then Norman Love. This is the Fort Myers company that I absolutely love. And what did he get me? Oh my god, they have Valentine themed hearts. Is that what you got? Did you just let them choose? Yes, this they did. All right. Passion cheesecake, pink champagne, how do you say that? Pinot Noir? I never say it right. Pronunciation is not my strong suit. Say it. What is that? Pinot Noir. Tropical hazelnuts and Caragello. Oh my god. It looks so good. So, and then earlier he gave me these flowers and this Jack Skellington paper bouquet. So it's been a really good day. It is snowing right now. We might not be able to make it for our dinner reservation because it's not supposed to stop snowing. Hopefully, if the roads aren't slick and they don't close the restaurant, we're gonna still try. And I will do a taste test later. I just wanted to do a quick video before I ate everything because I love Norman Love. I'm very happy about that. But this Pokemon is so unique. And this, oh my, hear that? Nice metal collector tin. Oh yeah, chocolate covered strawberries. I already ate half of them. So this is another, Chocolate is another St. Louis company. And he actually picked these up this morning because you can't really order them ahead of time. I already ate half of them, but look at that. They're so good. All right, it is 6:30 and our dinner reservation is not till 8:20, but I called and they said, come on down. If we get there early, they'll find us a spot. It's just lightly snowing right now. It's just supposed to snow off and on for the next 8 hours. And the roads don't look too bad. So I called the restaurant. They're open. So we're going to give it a shot. All right. We made it. So just a light dusting of snow. The interstate was perfectly fine. We've been here before. It's just been years and years. So we parked where we normally park. That parking lot was full. Those cars have been there for a while, so I'm a little confused why it was full, but
It's like the snow they got out west. It's stuff skiing.
yeah. Ooh. There we go. Sidney Street Cafe. Alright, so for appetizer, of course, you know, I had to get the charcuterie board, 3 different cheeses, and then this is beef tartare. Alright, they still have the beignets, and this time it's with honey butter. Alright, I got beet salad, and then Robert got a Caesar salad. This is like huge. What is all over that? What is that, croutons?
Yeah, I believe so.
Cheese?
Yeah, I like
Bacon
it
bits?
that you don't have to fork into large pieces of bread, because that's hard sometimes. It should be interesting.
I got scallops with potato puree, and Robert got some kind of pasta. Do you remember what pasta? Rigatoni?
Yeah, with mushrooms and other stuff.
It looks really good.
It does look really good.
There you go, honey.
It's a nice bowl.
And my favorite, scallops.
What do you do?
Alright, so we got the banana split, and it has caramelized banana, ember ice cream, I have no idea what that means, and then caramel, strawberries, or I'm sorry, cherries, those are cherries, and I don't know, goodness, walnuts maybe? I don't know, it looks delicious. Alright, we're leaving Sidney. Dinner was excellent, but it's definitely started snowing. What do you think, Robert? Was it worth it? Braving the snowstorm? We'll find out. Well, it's still light. I think we'll make it home, no problem. But the food was excellent. Oh my God, everything was excellent. I had the scallops. Robert had the rigatoni. They were both excellent. The sauce on his rigatoni was, kind of wish I would have got that. I love scallops, but I might be scalloped out. I get them too much. Look at that. That truck was there earlier. So
Interesting.
there's not too much snow on our car. So that's good. Alright, the road, like, there's not much traffic, but the roads look pretty clear so far. I just wanted to show you, it was kind of downtown. Sidney Street is off of Sidney Street. There's the Chaffetz Arena right there to the right. The famous Budweiser sign straight ahead. I don't think we can see the arch. I think the arch is behind us, right?
It's behind us.
Yeah. We're now going away from the city, but it's very pretty. But yes, here's the famous Budweiser sign. It just means a lot to us because Robert's dad worked for Anheuser-Busch his whole life, so that's why we get some little special feelings every time we see it.
Yep.
All right, we made it home. So it's just starting to snow a little thicker, and I'm glad we did not cancel. The roads were fine. It's definitely is starting to stick, but lots of snow plows out, so everything should be good. But it is supposed to snow straight for the next 24 hours.